Hello and welcome back to the channel, and here for another video of the Ipsy Glam bag November edition. This one was an interesting one, mainly because towards the end of last month it let me pick one item, and they would put the other four together to match, to accommodate the one that I picked. So tested them all out. I like them all, so there's a start. Enough talking about the products, let's show them and talk about them more. The first item we have is the Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 and PA+++. It's honestly, this one was the one I was least excited about. And when I first tried it, I thought it was interesting when I got it. It was like SPF sunscreen, essentially, and healing. I'm not entirely sure. I do my best. But I figure for my sensitive skin, this would be great. I wish Ipsy would send stuff in bigger bottles, but that's how they market. But honestly, this left me just a little bit greasy. Or it didn't feel like it set incorrectly. It still made my skin feel ultra soft after washing, but it just felt greasy. Just a little bit. I wouldn't knock it again if I got it. That's all I'm saying. Next item is the Lovecraft Beauty Blush in the shade of Daphne. And it is like this orangish red. It was like very pale, but at the same time it shows up really well. It's like you could probably see it right now. And I didn't even do a whole lot. I tried to keep it to a minimum because I knew of how bright it was. It's like this little brown, orange, pink kind of color. And I really like it. It's a good size for a sample product. It definitely, this will definitely last me quite a while. So I like that. Next we have is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Material Girl. And I have it on right now. And it is just a very pretty purple. It dries fairly quickly, and it's like, it stays on. But at the same time, it comes off in little bits. But like, there it is on my hand. And it is just a very pretty color. It's a very bold color. I obviously would not wear this if I didn't have a full face of makeup at this point. Tried that once. It did not look pretty, honestly. But, you know, not an expert, so live and learn here. Next item is from First Aid Beauty. This one was one that I was extremely interested about, and it is actually made my skin like super soft while not leaving me completely greasy or wet or anything. And I have never used oils, so this one was an experience. So let me just pull this up so I can get all the information. But this is the Ultra Repair Oat and Cannabis Savita Seed Oil from First Aid Beauty. It's an antioxidant rich facial oil that is formulated with a blend of 16 cold pressed active botanicals, including cannabis savita seed oil that is completely different from CBD and totally non-psychoactive, which is derived from cold pressed hemp seeds. And it is, despite how small the sample size is, it is a really good oil, and love it. I'm trying to use it more often every night, but I also don't want to, like, you know, use it up. But it also is for de-stressing, relieve, and nourishing your skin. So I mostly use it on my face. You can probably use it on your hair or wherever you need it. And you can probably get it bigger on the actual website, most likely, since this is a sample. So, yeah, the Ultra Repair, my first aid beauty, good one, according to me. And the last one is the Wonder Beauty highlighter in Wondrous Glow. And it is like this soft gold highlight color. It's in comparison to the other golds that I have, it is not as bright, but it still does the trick. It's very subtle. That's the thing, and I love it. I love that about it. And that is about it. Well, that is it. That is the Ipsy bag for November for my account. Hope you all enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe and like the video if you liked, and if you have any advice, be sure to leave a comment on the video, and be sure to hit the bell when you subscribe to get notifications from the rest of the channel. And yeah, that's about it. Have a good day. Bye.